Hello guys, welcome to another example for circular measure. So what we have here, given that BOR is a sector with center O, okay, and so the sector has a radius of 8.1 centimeter. The length of chord is given 14 centimeters, but the key thing here is the angle here is not given, but the question wants the area of the shaded region. All right, so what do we do here? Obviously we need the angle here, so let's label this angle as theta. Right, we need to find this angle here so that we can find the area of the sector and the area of the triangle later. Right, and to find the angle theta we have to use the cos rule as usual because we know the length of all the sides. Right, so this will be O, but as in the earlier videos I told you don't use the symbol O, so we call this BR. So BR squared is equals to B squared plus R squared, B squared plus R squared minus 2BR cos theta. Right, put the things in. So BR square will be 14 square equals to 8.1 square plus 8.1 square minus 2 times 8.1 times 8.1 times cos theta. So you press your calculator like how I showed you before. Right, you should get theta equals to 119.58 degrees. Let me prove it to you. So that will be 14 square minus 8.1 square minus 8.1 square equals to, then the answer divide by negative 2 times 8.1 times 8.1, and then this is the answer for cos theta. So you press shift cos and you get 119.58. Yep, right. And then we would need the angle theta in radians too. Right, so what we do is theta equals to 119.58. We need to change it into radians. Remember, when we change it into radians, the size of the number will decrease, which means that we have to divide by 180. So we know that we have to times by pi over 180 here. Therefore, theta in radians, use 3.142 for the pi. So theta here you get 2.087 rad. Right, now we can find the area of the shaded region already. Right, area of the shaded region, we can find that already. So the area of the shaded region is the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. Right, area of the sector minus the area of triangle. Right, so the area of sector will be 1 over 2 theta r square minus area of the triangle will be 1 over 2 times b times r times by sine theta. Remember, this theta must use in radians, this theta must use in degrees. Right, so that's how the formula works. So 1 over 2 times this will be 2.087 times 8.1 square minus 1 over 2 times 8.1 times 8.1 times sine in degrees 119.58 degrees. You just type that out in the calculator. You should get 39.935 centimeter square. Amazing guys, amazing, satisfying. Thank you. See you all in the next video.